for the draft Dodgers, like a week later. And that sort of luck has been following me my whole life. Now I have you guys as my best friends. We have the most successful balloon company in America. And we're going to take over Mexico.
Hey.
Who'd want to do that?
Huh?
Who wants to do that?
When you come down there and you see what we got going, you go, why didn't I think of this?
Dude, the Mexican babes on there.
Oh, man. No, it's
Tell us about the women, Jay.
paradise. They're the most beautiful women in it. And there's a couple different classes of women. There's the Castilian, the Spaniards who came over, kept the bloodline clean. And then there's the ones that did the mixing with the women from Guadalajara.
Oh,
Because Guadalajara is where all of the Moors, the North Africans, the Moors, the Arab blood, was brought to the garrison in Guadalajara because Guerrero, the state just south of us, means warrior. Guerrero.
Oh, okay.
And nobody's ever captured Guerrero. The Spaniards did. They're some of the most vicious warriors in the world. So they sent the Moors over there because the Moors were, they were half of them were African Americans or Africans back then, and the rest of them
That's not what you used to call them.
And they went in there and they raped all the women in Guadalajara. So now the most beautiful women in all of Mexico are from Guadalajara because they have that Arab blood in them. You can see it in them. It's really incredible. I'm a connoisseur. Those really. But San Miguel's an anomaly because every country in the world is represented there. And they have their dogs too. There's a whole culture of dogs there. There's books written about the dogs of San Miguel because for the last 50 years, people have bringing breeds from all over the world there. And we brought Foster, who was an Australian Shepherd, just like our little one, but a big brown and gray and black. And now there's like 50 or 60 of them there. They're all related to Foster. You got in there
just like you, huh?
Yeah, just fucking all the women. Oh, you're telling my story?